What's going on, everybody? My name is Kells and I smell really good. And tonight we have a pretty special video. We're going to be talking about Chanel's newest fragrance, Bleu De Chanel L'Exclusif. Stick around. What's up, guys? What's up? So yeah, before we get into tonight's review, please go ahead and do me a favor. If this is your first time here and you like fragrance content, consider a sub. And also, check out my website, kellssmells.com, where you can sample any fragrance in my collection. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is going to be really short and sweet, guys. We're just going to talk about it really quick. So yeah, I got a sample sent to me from Buzz Agent. Right here, if you could see that. You might not be able to. But it's just a sample. I thought it might have been a full bottle. It is not, but yeah, this is the fragrance. Nice little atomizer on the sample. It was sent in a nice little, thing though. So Chanel themselves didn't technically send this to me. It was sent to me from Buzz Agent. Anyone can do Buzz Agent too, by the way. This is my first fragrance they've ever sent me. I usually go through influencer, but yeah, they hit me up. They said, "Will you be interested in a fragrance?" I said, "Hell yeah." And it happened to be the new Chanel sample. So I was happy to get it. I like this fragrance. I do think it smells nice. You're going to get very woody, masculine, fresh type of fragrance. There's some amber in there, sandalwood. It really smells fire, to be honest with you. It smells really, really nice. It really reminds me of like the original Bleu De Chanel. You can tell it's a Bleu De Chanel flanker. It reminds me of a lot of fragrances in that line. There's no like leather listed, but you definitely get like this leather undertone backbone type of thing going on with this one. You get like this animalic touch on there in there with it. To me, it gives me a little bit of a leather, but it's not like a ombre leather type of leather. It's not like a Tuscan leather type of leather. It's kind of its own thing. It's very strong. That is one thing I noticed about it. It's extremely strong. It sticks around for quite a while. I had put this on one spray and I literally could smell it for like 10 hours and it was pretty strong. Like it was pushing off my hand that entire time. I just wanted to do a little review on it real quick. Just tell you kind of, the ballpark it's in. It reminds me a little, it definitely smells like a Bleu De Chanel fragrance. But it's got some it's got an even more masculine edge. It's like a darkened up kind of Bleu De Chanel. Instead of being like a blue fragrance, it's still a blue fragrance, but it's got a more rugged like edge to it, if that makes any sense. It's nice. I really do enjoy the way it smells. For the price, I heard it's like $200+. I don't know about that. You know how Chanel stuff is, man. It's hard to get it discounted and everything like that, but yeah, I mean, that pretty much sums it up, everything I've said. It's no slouch though, I will say that. It definitely performs. And that's Bleu De Chanel L'Exclusif. I don't need to drag this out anymore, guys. I pretty much gave you what I think about it. That's gonna do it for tonight's video, man. I hope you guys found this useful at all. Sorry for I know I kept it really short, but I just didn't want to sit here and talk about it for 10-15 minutes, to be honest with you. So hope you guys found this useful. Once again, if you like fragrance content, your first time here, hopefully you liked it. Consider a sub.
Everybody loves a good sub.
Really good. Make sure you keep tuning in.
Designer on my neck and my hands now. Put Versace on my neck.